Hello everybody, this is a Fatterman and I'm a new YouTuber. This is so cool and I recording the first video. And this video is about the solving a Rubik's Cube. And if you really like this video, be sure to leave that some love, hit the like button down below. Maybe we should get the most subscribers I can have, and do other stuff, and leave the comment in the down below what should video I do next. So let's get started. So the first step, we solving the Rubik's Cube, we need fine green dot in the center, and I have this right here. We need find edges. Edges is right here right now. It's black and green. Black should connect to this black in the center, so we turn it back and down and rotate it to the left front layer, because it's to you have to connect this layer to this layer, and we have to connect it to this center Okay, now we're gonna make this edge. It's red and green, but red is here. It's supposed to be here to connect it, but it's now here. If you want to put this in here in the right direction, you're gonna need bottom layer to rotate in the left, this one in the up, and this one in right, and you have this these layers to right connect edges. Now we need spin everybody, yeah. Spin everybody, yeah. Okay, let's pop into the work. So we need what this green with this orange should to connect with this, but you don't want to break this part, because if you break this part like this, I have to, you can't do that, because you broke that part and you don't have it, and you lose all your stuff, and don't do that. It's be terrible mistake. So this should be in this direction, because there's no one here in the edges. So this one needs to go here, this one here, and this one here, and that's done. We have a horizontal vertical line and this spot right here. So the next, I'm gonna need this edge to put in here. Now this is easy trick, because it's yellow is here and yellow is here, so we can just rotate this way and rotate this way 2 times, and now we have a plus in here with the connection. Okay, we solved this plus, and we need to go to the corners. Corners are they with 3 colors, and we're gonna choose this one now. It's red, yellow, and green. So we need to put this red, yellow, green to the between yellow and red, and let's do this pattern. Move it back, third layer, move it to the left. This layer, move it back, turn it in, and lift it up. Now we have a corner with the I don't know what it is. Let's move to the next one. Next one is green, black, and red. We need to put this between red and black. There is, and we need to do this pattern again. This way, this way, this way, and this way. And we have 2 now corners. That's correct. Now one. Now where is the one? Where is the one? One is in the bottom. One is in here. We want to as we gonna be this corner. It's to be in here, facing to us, but it's not in the third layer. Then we gonna need to put it down in the third layer. So let's do this pattern. This layer, move it down. This layer, third layer, bring it this way, this way, and this way you pull it. Pull it this layer, and you have this which is can't be there. It should be there. So let's do pattern upside down. It's not the right direction. Now this layer, move it to the right, down, place this in and lift it up, and we have one corner left, which is right here. And now it's in the same row. We move it to the right, bring it down, place it in, and lift it up. Now we have full colors of this layer. Now move it to the next one. Now let's do the number 2 layer. There's is, and it should be black, orange, yellow, and red. It's not. It can't be the blue because it's not here. Just watch. This is red and black. Let's move it to the right because it's should be connected to this one. And you see this, it's black. Black is on right or on the on right or on left side. It's now on right. So we the third layer, move it away from that color, bring this down, connect these 3 again, and lift it up. Okay, so in the comments, if you say you broke the corner, but don't worry, if you place it corner right back, you should be, it's correct. It's correct. But the last one, what we put, it's incorrect. It was incorrect. Now it's incorrect. Now it's correct. I failed. So okay, let's move to the next edge, which is orange and yellow. Orange is connect. It's right here, so it's good. Now we need to, this yellow, it's in the right position, so we move it third layer to the left. Bring this down, bring this down, connect this, and then lift it up. Now we place the corner, and we should to be, yeah, it's correct. Hold on.